Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing fine wherever you are. So today's video I'm going to make an egg white mask. As you can see, I have one egg, so I'll show you how I'm going to do this mask. It's a very beneficial mask for your skin, and yeah, let's go ahead and I'll show you how I'm going to do it. You just need one egg, and if you're allergic to egg, please don't do this mask. So I'll take another egg and then I'm going to break it, and I'll only need the white part of the egg. So there we are. I'm just going to separate the yolk from the white. Voila. So I have my egg white that I'm going to use. It's very beneficial for the skin. And I also have the yolk, which I'm not going to use it. I'll just put it aside. So this is what I'll need. The egg white has so many benefits. It absorbs excess oil from your skin, and it also tightens the skin. So here we are. My skin is like you can see it. It's not yet cleaned. I'm going to wash it, and then I'm going to apply the egg white. So I'll go and wash. There we are. I've washed my skin, as you can see it. Then I'll put the egg white all over my face. Guys, let me tell you, this egg white, it's wow. I don't know how to say it, but you will see the end, how it's going to look on my face. So I'll just go ahead and put all over my face. With a brush, you can use hands to put the egg white, but I'm using this brush. I really love it. I bought it from Sephora. So I'll go ahead and put the egg white all over my face. Like you can see there. And one thing is, if you're allergic to eggs, please don't use the mask. And also you should use an organic egg. Oops, so there we are. And then I'm going to stay with the mask for like 15 minutes. I'm going to wait for the mask to dry. So if you've used the mask, just leave your comment down below and tell me what you think about the mask. I just love this mask, especially when you put it and then you put makeup afterwards. It really looks so amazing. So voila, voila. I think I'm done. So I'll wait for the mask to dry, and then I'll come back. Ooh, look at that face. It has dried. It feels so tight on my face. Look at my lips. I couldn't even open my mouth because it was so tight on my lips. And on the sides of my face, it was really, really tight. Well, it looks scary, huh? Anyway, so here's the mask. I'll go and wash it off. Guys, look. Just tell me, what do you think about this mask? Just look at the difference. It looks like it has, I have a layer on top of my face. So I'll go ahead and use my moisturizer. You can use any moisturizer. Look at my face, I just like it. So I'll go ahead and put my moisturizer, and that's it. So if you're going out somewhere and you want to have that instant glow, just try this mask and put your makeup and you'll see the difference. My face looks plumpy and it also looks good and it feels good. So there we are. Thank you very much for watching this video, and if you want to leave a comment, just leave a comment down below. I'll be happy to hear from you. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.